Hi, my name is Gene Allen, and this is going to be a short video to get you started with the free version or the free plan on DropChat. All right, so I'm at dropchat.biz. We're going to click right here. And this will take us to the register page. We want the free plan, so everything stays there. And we're going to be a CPA for a law firm, so we're going to be something like that. And my name is going to be Doug Smith. And my email address is that, and we're going to have my phone be that. And we need a phone number here because we're going to email, or DropChat's going to SMS the password to you. So right now it's creating the company. There's the notification on my phone. It's giving me the password. Sets up my user account and makes me the administrator of the account. Some people don't like using SMS for temporary login code kind of thing, or they don't like the passwords we like. You can go to up here and edit your profile, and on this screen you can actually reset your password. You can set it to be whatever you want, or you can just generate a new one. And you might also want to change the time zone to be where you're at. Anyway, so the first thing we need to do is we don't have any customers and we don't have any employees. I'm going to add my brother as an employee, so I'm going to click Add Employees. This is actually Add Users. Most of the time it's going to be employees. Maybe I should change that to be users. Anyway, and his name is Edward, so we're going to say Edward, and his email address is CPA2, and we don't know his mobile number. So what'll end up happening here, since we don't know the mobile number, DropChat will send an email to that email address with his password in it. All right, so now we have two users, me and Edward, and we're going to add a customer. Click there, and we're going to pick everybody's favorite, Dewey, Cheatham, and Howe. And the person we're talking with is Adam Cheatham. And his email address is Adam at that. And we're going to make his phone number 713-501-5000. Actually, let's make it something that no one will ever get. So, 5,000. All right. So, and we add that. And when we do this, it's going to send a message, an SMS to that mobile number with his login information. All right, so now we have one customer, Dewey, Cheatham, and Howe, with Adam in it. All right, so if we click on it, we have, this is the customer screen. This is for DropChat for you to deal with the Dewey, Cheatham, and Howe company. So both me and Edward can make messages here. Like for instance, hey Adam, this is a typical, if you've used Slack or anything like that, this is a similar sort of thing, except for it's group-based. So and please send me your property tax bill. All right, and this message will be sent to him, and it'll show up. It's saved here. Ed logs in, he can see it, and when Adam logs in, he can see it. Actually, if Adam doesn't log in soon enough, he will get a notification that has the same message in his email. So there's multiple ways we try to get the message to it. If Adam replies to that email, the message will show up here on this chat screen, or he can log in and see it. Something that's kind of interesting is over here on the left, we have two sections, and this is the customer section. This is for sharing chats with the customer, my team, and their team. And this is between just me and Ed about this customer. So you can have a private conversation with other team members. Like for instance, I could say something like this. Yeah, do you think DCS is trustworthy? And only Edward would see that. Adam won't, or no one there will. All right, so that's setting up a customer, and basically how to do it in chat. If you want to send a file, you just come over here and you add a file. It's pretty straightforward, just like you'd think it would work. You add files here, they get shared to this, and when Adam logs in, he can download the files. So that's basically chatting, sharing files, set up projects. I'm not going to go through all that because it's pretty self-explanatory. Some other things that people are interested in is this part. How do I get, if you go to your edit company, how do I get SMSs and voicemails and everything coming to me from this? So here's how you do that. You set up a central number. So there's no numbers in my area code, so we're going to choose 281. I'll search, and there's some numbers. So we're just going to pick this one, and we'll assign it as a number. Now, this is a central number that's associated with this account. That's your phone number now. Anybody calls in this phone number, we're going to forward it to this phone number, which is my phone number. All right, so phone calls are going to be forwarded to the real number that's me. That's actually my cell number. And before that, it'll say, this will be a recording that plays before it gets forwarded on. Hang on, let me try. And if I'm unable to answer the phone, and say, please leave a voicemail. So it says, when you call this number, first thing it's going to do is say, try this, then forward it to me. If it doesn't go through, it plays that message there. Now, sometimes you maybe just want to send it a direct voicemail anyway. Just send it straight to voicemail. Please leave a voicemail. So that's how messages come in. If an SMS comes in from, let's say, 713-555-5000, I know that's Adam's phone number, so it'll go into the correct company account. If it comes to this phone number and I don't recognize the phone number, DropChat will mark it as unknown, and you will have to manually assign it. You can do that from the main screen. So that's how you get those things. Also, if you send an email, forward an email from your personal account that you get from Adam at DCH2, DropChat at Bystander.software, the emails will show up in this chat stream too. Let me get it over to the chat stream. We can also get to a customer this way. So if an email gets sent to dropchat.com from your email address, or rather from my email, Doug at CPA1, it'll show up in here. So if Adam sends me an email and I forward it to dropchat at bystander.com, it will show up in the correct place. If that happens and we can't identify it, the email came from, it'll show up as an unidentified. That may be a little bit too much in the weeds, but let's go with that for now. Oh, there's one more thing I need to show you. Let's say I want to share files with people that I work with, like my users and my employees. If you're on the home page here, if you click right here, you can actually go to your own page. And this is only with us. Oops. Only between us. And you can share files here that are confidential to you and no one else can see it. So it's you. And in this case, Doug and Ed can see the files and no one else can. I think that's about it.